Let's go! 65 centimeters of snow, that's what it looks like. We're going to experience what the bobsleigh team is going to be experiencing down the slope. This is the slope, it's about 35-degree slope, 150 feet down. Thank God I live close to it, like walking distance. You ready? Let's go.
My name is Shane Peter and I'm the pilot of the Jamaica bobsled team.
I'm Joe Fearon and I'm a push athlete.
My name is Taekwondo Tracy and I'm the brakeman.
My name is Andre Degas and I'm one of the brakemen.
My name is Junior Harris and I'm one of the brakemen.
And we are here at the 2026 Winter Olympic Games. We are here to represent everybody from the Caribbean, most importantly Jamaica. We're just looking for all the support from all over the world, from all of the fans that love us. We are here to represent, we are here to make everybody proud. And you know, big up to everybody, you know, one love.
One love.
Let's go, Jamaica! Oh yeah! Woo! Fire and ice, let's go! Going for the goal. Team Mica. Whoa! Yo!